Am I even gonna get like a, oh, like nothing from you?
There were just a lot of fingerprints on that mirror.
Whose fingerprints do you think those are?
Not mine.
Yours.
Why? I've literally never touched that mirror.
That is a lie. I can't see you, Julian. Hey guys, welcome back to my beautiful people channel. So I know I turned myself into a chair last week. There's no easy way to follow that up, okay? But we're leaving for Hong Kong in just a couple of days here. So I wanted to do something fun with my dogs. It's a trend that's been going around on YouTube. Jay Kissa did this with her pit bull, which was really cute. Nikki Tutorials did it, and I think they were inspired by Kayla, who did it with her cat first. So I am not a beauty guru. I'm just a regular person that likes to hang out with my dogs. So I feel like this is a fun activity for us to do because I'm gonna miss them. Julian, are you gonna miss them? All right, that's enough answering from you. So I got some new stuff so this could actually be like a video. I live near an Ulta. Like, it's always difficult when we travel, so I appreciate your patience when we're out of town. We already have a video ready for next week, so just know that we're a little stressed, but I want to do a regular people video where I just make something nice with my dogs, like nothing too crazy, because I've been finding blue paint all over me for a little while from when I was a chair.
Chairs are cool.
When I was a young chair, my father put me in the living room. Like, they're gonna pick the products, but like, it's up to me to take my artistic liberties on what I'm gonna do with that. I'm priming my skin. Speaking of liberty, today is the 4th of July. Knock, knock, who's there? It's not America. Freedom doesn't knock, freedom rings. I need you to pick a foundation. Peach, all the other dogs on YouTube, just walk over towards one and like pick one. I need you to do it. You're very pretty. You want to pick a foundation for me? Oh, which one are you gonna knock over? Oh, thank you. You Peachy. All right, you ready? And go. Peachy, get one. Get the treat. Go. Oh.
Oh!
That one?
She touched the pink one.
Honestly, what the hell was the point of that? Like, I realize this is a very dumb video, but guess what? You fucking clicked on it. So this one?
I think she moved that one the most, the pink one.
Peach, I appreciate your service. Later on, I will be drawing eyebrows on you. Foreshadowing. No crying.
Don't burp into the mic.
Oh, I think I got it in my eye already.
This is going well.
Someday, like I'm gonna make our whole downstairs like a beauty guru set, and we're gonna have like sequin background.
What about the kitchen?
It's gonna be a beauty guru palace. You see all those cabinets? I'm gonna fill them with bronzers.
No, Kermit, put your tongue back in your mouth.
My review of that is, it's alright.
They should put that on the bottle.
Welcome to my beautiful, beautiful people channel. So here's this, it's alright.
Subscribe at the end.
Subscribe.
How about we put Marvel on the table, and he's gonna try to get to you, because that's his life goal, is to always just get to you.
Okay.
So if I put him here, he has to walk at least past or through that, whichever one he touches.
I like your style. You wanna come here? You wanna hug?
No, you gotta block that off. He can't walk around.
Completely avoided it. Wow, I know, it's very complicated, huh? Well, he walked in between two, so what do we do?
All right, so now it's down between these two.
Marble, come. Oh! Does that work?
Yeah, I'll accept it. So.
Here, honey, that was very good picking. You can have a treat. Okay. Kermit, you gotta just wait, bud. So we're gonna use some shape tape.
Chip.
I don't know about that color. What about, does that look okay?
I don't think you need to rub it in. I think it looks good.
Oh, all right, just leave it. Marble, what do you think about your choice?
I don't think he's thinking right now. I think he's just
Marble.
standing there. He looks like a GIF. He's just a looping GIF right now of a dog.
You notice how I did my concealer and foundation first, because I'm still, no matter what people tell me or do on the internet, I'm just not one of these people that does my eye makeup and then puts on foundation. That is a
Do people do that?
Yes, that is a one-way ticket to just smudging everything you just did. I hate it. So I'm just gonna do powder and contour because I don't have like multiple contours. I'm just a regular person. I just have some bronzer. I mean, so far they haven't done me dirty, so I'm pretty excited about that. And yes, I'm using this little ass brush because I'm what you might call lazy as hell. Okay, what we're not gonna do is make fart noises with our mouths. Now let's move on to more fun stuff, shall we? The colors and the fun things.
All right, it's Kermit's turn, otherwise he's gonna like revolt. Pin a treat under each bottle, and whichever bottle he knocks over is the one. Kermit, not yet.
No. Which blush? Oh!
Oh, that's the one.
Good boy.
What is it?
Paracone. It's just like a little. This is a stupid video. Oh, that's pretty, Kermit. Thank you. Should I just fill in my brows so we can stop looking at my alien face? What's so funny? I'm here for facts and facts only. All right, I know all y'all hate how I fill in my brows, so make sure you leave those hate comments below. Okay, so what did you wanted to have them howl?
Yeah, so let's pick 3 options of the next piece of makeup, and we can assign a dog to each option, and then you tell the dogs to speak, and whichever one speaks first or howls first gets their option.
I didn't want to have them just like pick a palette, so we can have them pick between these 3 marbles, because he's black and sparkly. Peach, because she's shimmery and light. Kermit is the red, nasty one. Nasty one.
Nasty one.
Ready? And speak!
Speak! Yeah, I think it's Peach.
She just drooled on me. Oh, Peach, that's pretty.
Fighting.
Everybody with this glitter, Peach.
That's cute. Oh my god, Kermit, you smell. You smell like crying.
All right, so instead of having them choose a palette, let's have them choose a color. Kermit, pick a color. Any color. Which one? That's not a color. Which one do you want? Hi. Oh. Did he pick one?
Oh yeah, he did.
Which one?
He picked this one right here.
Oh, thank you, bud. Oh.
Kermit, what a sophisticated look you just picked. You want foundation?
All right, I'm gonna put it under here too.
Oh, you're going above envelope.
Are you enjoying yourself even though you don't know what's going on? I like to do all my eyeshadow with one fucking brush. You know what I'm saying? Just slappity slap slap, a little bit everywhere. Did you hear that? That was the sound of James Charles quaking.
I think I did hear that, yeah. You did a beautiful, beautiful person noise.
Why don't we have them pick out one of those eyeliners? Let's get the wild one up here. Where's my daughter? Do you want some eyebrows? Don't worry, I'll get some coconut oil and I'll wipe them right off for you, okay? Oh! Pick a liner. Oh, good girl.
Good girl.
Yeah, you're a good girl. Wow, I mean, I have an audience here. I think I'm gonna put it under here. How do I look?
So cute.
Oh, thank you, Peach. Wow, Peach, are you surprised? What happened?
I will put those 3 right next to the chair, and I'll have Peach hop up on the table, whichever one she knocks over when she hops up. Up! Up! Up!
Oh! Give it back. This is very glittery, Miss Weech. Oh. Excuse me. Oh. Hello? Hello? How am I popping?
Yeah, you poppin', girl.
Am I popping?
Girl, you like a movie theater snack. You poppin'. I think you look fabulous and extravagant. So I'm taking the pill pockets that they like, and I'm gonna rub.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, it is gross.
Julian, that's disgusting.
No, let's do it.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. It's perfect. Now all of them smell like dog stuff. Babe, you can't
I'm
tell
like
me.
appalled.
Take that.
You know what? You're gonna have to wipe down every single box because I'm not having this life. I hate you.
She picked it. She likes that one too.
Yeah, she likes all of them. I'm just gonna tightline my eyes because if I don't, I just look crazy. I love when people are like, don't pull on your eyelid to do eyeliner. It's gonna give you wrinkles. As if that's what's giving me wrinkles.
Do you want some pill pocket to glue those to your eyelid?
I'm still mad that you did that. I have a question. Like cat eyes when you do like a winged liner, but what's a dog eye look like?
It's just a big blob around your eye, like a big spot that makes you look like you have a giant black eye, kind of.
Ooh, okay, sick.
Hey, Jenna.
What?
Are you an indoor or an outdoor cat?
I'm both, Peach. They're completely uneven.
No, they look good.
I'm never gonna be a beauty guru.
Oh.
Kermit will actually let me put lashes on him. Like not glue, obviously. You just sort of stick them, like rest them on his forehead. You wanna pick out some for Worm?
These ones just scream Kermit.
Yeah. Oh, what a pretty boy.
Kermit.
Who is she? Oh, you look so nice, Kerm. Oh. Okay.
He's done being beautiful.
Kermit, are you done being beautiful?
Ooh.
Alright, so I tight lined my lower waterline, and I think I'm just gonna like, this needs to be a little more dramatic, you know what I'm saying? Get you a dog that makes you adventurous in makeup. He's just sitting with me, like he really just like wants to hang, you know?
Yeah.
That's like why I kind of wanted to do this, because I feel bad whenever you leave them. Like Kermit's the kind of dog that like actually gets mad when I leave, and
He has a grudge.
yeah, he'll get like, he gets upset. So I know it's not gonna be a very fun week for you, huh? It's time for the make or break for this look beach. All right, Kerm, this is a big decision, okay? Will you pick a lipstick for me? Oh my God, Kermit, what a choice. It's literally black. I love you.
All right, you guys are done. You did it. Wait,
Kermit.
it's really black?
Yeah, it's completely black.
Oh my God, that looks so cute. That's actually like kind of sick. Whoa, who are you fighting with that? It looks really cute.
Really?
Yeah, it looks so cute.
Aw, thanks. Dude, I kind of like it a lot.
Oh, what is that?
Like, this is kind of a boring video. I know, like, okay, your dog picture, it's stupid, okay? I get it, it's dumb. But like, I am so pleased with this. This is really fun. And not something that I ever wake up and I'm like, I think I'm gonna have cheek glitter, black lipstick, red eyeliner underneath, and some glitter on top. But like, this is a cute look.
This is kind of embarrassing.
What?
But they did a
You
better
got
job picking out your makeup than I did.
Honestly, you're not wrong. Julian, the makeup that you picked out for me was so rough. Like, you just... No, you made me look like a fruit salad, okay? Like I looked like a tropical bird in the face. I think that this is a super cute look.
It is.
It makes my eyes look very blue.
Normally, I don't really find like black lipstick that interesting, but you're like making it look really, I don't know, like looks good.
Ooh, this bitch called me interesting. It screams summer beach.
Open your mouth a little wider.
Smash. What do you think of my look?
I honestly love it.
You do?
Yeah, I think it's really
Aw,
good.
you're sweet. This was actually really fun because I feel like I don't play enough with makeup like I used to. Like I sort of just stick to the same stuff that I always do. So this was like genuinely enjoyable to do. Or just like throw a dart at one of your makeup items and that's...
Whoa.
I'm coming for your brand. I can't wait to swim in this look, you know? I feel like it's a waterproof hot summer day look. I know, I love spending time with you, and I'm really sorry I'm gonna miss you so much, okay? And you looked really pretty in those lashes. You're the prettiest boy. Peach is just looking for food. But yeah, that's kind of it. I mean, it was really nice for me to just do like a regular nice video, you know, like nothing crazy's happening. Like the dogs had a good time, really only because there were treats here. There is a wasp in here.
There's not.
Yes, there is. Look, it's right there on the ceiling. Oh, there you fucking go. So anyways, we gotta go because there's a wasp in the house and everyone's very upset about it. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Wednesday/Thursday. Thanks for letting me do something a little more relaxed this week. I'll see you guys next week, but really I'll be back in like 2 weeks from Hong Kong. So I will see you then.
Look at all those fingerprints, Peach.
Bye, Beach. Bye, Beach.